Good day everyone! For our kitchen laboratory, we will be demonstrating the different cutting style. Each of us will show one technique with clear steps, history, and example. So, let's start!
Okay, good morning everyone. Today we are going to present different cutting styles. What I'm gonna present is the Julian cut. So first we need to prepare. We need to wear our gloves. Of course, we need to have our hairnet. And apron. So the vegetable that I'm gonna use today for this cutting style is the carrot. First, step 1, we need to peel our carrot. So first, we need to cut the edges. Slice, I mean. And peel the carrots. So for step 2, as I already peeled the carrots, we need to slice it to 2 to 3 inch section. So the Julian cut is originated in French cuisine and it first appeared in 18th century.
The second cutting style is dice cut. Dice cut is producing small even cubes for quick cooking and flavor absorption. For this demo, I will use carrot. Step 2, line them up and cut crosswise into small cubes about 6 mm on each side. The origin. Dicing is a classic French technique making cubes and soup and sauces.
The third cutting style is cube cut. Cube cut is bigger than dice, usually for soups and braised dishes. I'll use carrot. Step 1. Cut carrot into 2 to 3 cm thick slabs. Step 2. Slice lengthwise into even strips. Step 3. Cut crosswise into medium-sized cubes, about 2 centimeters each. The origin. Cubing is a Western culinary style larger than dice, used for stews and roasting.
The fourth cutting style is bayonet cut. I'll show the bayonet cut, which means little sticks. So, let's start. Step 1. Cut the carrot into sections about 2 inches long. Step 2 is slice lengthwise into rectangular slabs. So, the result is uniform sticks about 1 1/2 inch thick. The origin is a classic French cut that served as the foundation for other cuts like Julienne and Brunoise.
The fifth cutting style is Macedonian cut. This is the Macedonian cut, producing small cubes, idea for vegetable mixes with and salad. I'll use carrot. So let's start. Step 1. Begin with bayonet sticks. Step 2. Cut crosswise into small cubes about 5 mm each. The origin is a French term believed to reference a mix of diverse things like the Macedonian region.
The sixth cutting style is shred. This is shred cut, giving fine strand of cabbage. Great for coleslaw or sauteed dishes. I'm gonna use cabbage. First step, slice the cabbage in half. And remove the core. Place the flat side of the cabbage. Step 3. Slice thin fine strips using racking motion. This is shredding. Is a global technique but widely popular in European slows and Asian stir fries. The seventh cutting style is the chop. This is the chop cut where onion is cut into small, uneven pieces for sautéing or garnishing. So let's start. Step 1. Fill the onion, cut in the half lengthwise. Place flat side down. Step 2. Place flat side down. Step 3. Slice horizontally, then vertically to form small chop to pieces. The origin is the chopping is one of the oldest cutting techniques used across culture for quick preparation.
Lastly is brunoise cut. This is the brunoise cut, producing very fine cubes, perfect for garnishes or salsas. I'll use tomato.
Go.
Step 1. Slice tomato into thin slabs. Step 2. Cut into julienne strips. Step 3. Dice finely into 1 to 2 mm cubes. The origin, French word brunoise, refers to the smallest dice refined for garnishes.
Wear gloves, hairnet, and apron for safety and hygiene. Keep your chopping board stable and use sharp knives to avoid any accidents, and also clean as you go.
That's the ends of our demonstration of the different cutting styles. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new.